2, 1.
Falling down those power wires.
Yeah, the wires might be close, but the trees it's out of. Huh? Yeah, I know.
Look at that. What a
Nice.
beautiful thing.
Nice.
Yes.
3, 2, 1.
Right there.
Right here, Reggie. It's okay. Heading towards the
Shoots
top.
out, shoots out. It's heavy.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice. Pretty close, huh?
This is going to be a real high flight. We need a heads up on this, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Shoots out.
Yeah.
Something's out.
No, this way a little more.
Heads up.
Put it on the table.
Burn. This should be good. I mean, that's out there just far enough.
6 timers.
Ground or something attached to the ground? Stop. Okay.
The first flight to this rocket is a streamer duration flight. Attention timers. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Everyone should enter the contest. There's no fee. That would have been a good flight if it was in the contest.
Yeah, because she started to come sideways. And
4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Good flight.
Thank you.
Ethical.
Okay, thank you. That's good keeping the rain.
Flying over Red 2, we've got Dave Mathis flying a Scorpion with an A8. The timers will be Jim and Jay.
Okay, I'm ready.
Attention timers, this is the parachute duration flight. Pads are hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right, this is going to be a qualified flight. A83.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
pop.
Yeah.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, sir.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
That's an F-22.
Come on, baby. Come on.
Oh,
Good recovery system.
thank you, thank you.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yeah, it's gonna get up there pretty good. I got a J460.
Now that's a streamer.
That's a streamer, Jay.
I don't know what the heck it's gonna do. I'm gonna fly. I don't care.
6-3, this is the first flight off of Blue 3.
They just straighten out and go.
429. Must be right.
5, 4,
Firestar
3,
electric match.
2,
They figure
1.
they need something.
One.
Cooking, come on.
3, 2, 1.
Right through it.
Yep. If you're gonna CATO,
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh, that might be a DQ if that's the engine. Yep. Yeah, that's a DQ.
that is. No.
2, 1.
So. Oh no, it isn't. Cone come out, but.
Yeah, the chute's.
It's out of there the ways. Right there. Coming down. It's all clear. Oh, it did come.
2, 1.
Yes!
That could be heard all over town.
Congratulations.
Good flight, Paul.
Keep an eye on this.
Separated.
Oh no.
Oh.
Where is the
Dry on the
rocket?
body. Going down there.
Uh-oh.
The
Uh-oh.
body tube separated. Don't hurt.
Nobody gets this.
Yeah, it won't even get hurt if it comes in right.
Depends on which spin it's in.
Come on, bottom first, sideways, anything. Just don't go forward. Come on, come on, come on. Yes! All right.
It's way over there.
Pads are hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Cool, huh? Dad, couldn't you put like a little...
3, 2, 1. A half A3. 4, 3, 2, 1.
Nice and calm.
Because it's funny, you know, it's hard to... I think it'll go more straight than any...
I need a short quarter-inch rope.
4, 3, 2, 1.
See that? That's a Blue Thunder.
Was it
I don't know what that was. What was in there?
What was in there?
Didn't go good. It's right above us.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Angle we kinda...
That's okay, Lug. We'll put yours up in the tree just so you can pay him.
What you trying to do? Thread it back on the pad, John?
Great.
John, I think that was worth the wait.
Oh, absolutely.
Don't touch it. Boing.
All right.
Next up, Richard Dane's Warthog flying F20 off of 3, 2, 1. 2, 1.
attention. Coming down. Right for the RSL.
Right for me.
You're all right, Ribs.
He's first off.
Sorry for the delay.
Diner with no answer, PML Thunder and Lightning. Flying an I-195 with Cambridge accelerometer. Got dual deployments coming off of green 2. Heads up on this flight, folks. 3, 2, 1.
Yes, indeed. Something's out.
Okay. Nice. All right, time to come out. Now. Oh, come on.
Come on, baby.
Shoot.
Oh,
Come on, come on.
It's open.
No, just the drogue.
This Ultimate 98 scratch build flying an H-180 off of pad green 1. Pads are hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Yes, they did. Thank you.
Nothing wrong with that.
Now see how the fins are up, so the tube hits first. That way they don't get all busted up.
Next up, Richard Dames with his Warthog flying an F-20 off of green 4.
Definitely has the Durham speed.
Rich.
What I really couldn't believe is the last time all those people parking that close. I would never park my vehicle that close to anybody watching that.
Because they have the wigwam PP guys there.
I would have parked anywhere but that close.
Wobbling a little bit.
Yeah, a little. It's out.
Next up on Red 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. One.
Come on, baby. Get into that.
Oh.
Yeah.
Look at those.
I put enough onions on that thing.
No. What? What do we really
Next up is John Bernier with his Caliber, flying off lead pad with an H-242. Heads up on this flight, folks. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
see that one right there? A big one. Yeah. Watch that one. Three coming down.
Next up on green 4, Howard Diner.
The tiger.
Triple A Nike Magnum, flying an H-222. Heads up on this flight, folks.
Is the flathead rocket?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Uh-oh, sounds going over there. Yeah. Well, he saw before. Is that it?
ADR flying a G-40. Heads up on this flight, folks.
All right, made the field.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on, baby.
looks like those JP parachutes hold up pretty well. I like the way that shoot looks. Yeah, Essence says it's made a review for that new one. It's a reasonable price, a 38-inch shoot. Like,
Next up on red 5, 2, 1, 2, 1, 1. Now you're Five, four, three, two, one. Five, four, three, two, one.
No spots left. I'm out of flight cards.
Finn's just gonna cut that air. It's not like you
Cross and back and forth, and Tripoli will accept an NAR level 1 test is kind of a year or something like that.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Come on.
There's a casing coming.
Did the casing come out?
The casing's in the tube, the
Yeah,
black
right
tube
there.
over there.
That's the one we want back most of all.
Okay,
There's a nose cone.
there's the cone.
Here comes the confetti. I mean, she spun, boy, real
Yeah.
good. Well, see, I had a fin
Fin problem.
That, you know, maybe it was questionable. And
I was like, no.
Phil, a couple weeks ago, guy wants something for the guy.
Pads are hot. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Gonna be walking a tad.
not walking along.
Yeah. Just right.
Talk about your luck.
Next up on vacation, heads up on this flight post. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right. Come on, shoot. There it is. All right. You're there.
Next up on pad green 4, Robert Larson with Mosquito 2.6, flying an FSO 6. 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up on 4, 3, 2, 1.
That got up there nice. Blowing apart with that J in it.
In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
what's gonna happen with that thing is on the last
Shut up, Lud.
picture, it's gonna all
Shut up, Lud.
Very welcome.
One.
May take a couple of weeks.
Oh, that thing bites good.
Oh yeah.
Whoa.
Oh,
And right there in the wind.
It thinks it's a Marine Harrier.
One.
Now, do you,
No, it's
need
got
help,
helicopter
like any
recovery.
kind I got a computer business, so like I can do a lot of
Next up on pad red 2, Amanda Days, corkscrew, flying a B-4.
I don't know who does that.
Corkscrew, Mom.
They have a web page. I don't have a web page. It's just like a, like a level 2 for a year.
One.
You're gonna modify it 2 stages.
Most of the time.
3, 2, 1.
There you go.
4, 3, 2, 1. One. Holding. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
There it is.
Off of pad blue 2, 1. 4, 3, 2, 1. The timer, Brian Eddy and Gary Eddy. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Pad red 2.
That's all that's left.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Off of pad green 3, we've got Joe Roberts with an LOC 4 Plus, flying a G40-4. This is the first flight. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All right.
Great shot.
That was impressive.
Next up on pad green 4, Chris Adams with an Aerotech Astrally D, flying an F40-4W. Heads up on this flight, folks.
I hear it. I don't see it.
1.
I see it. I see it. I see it. I see it way up there.
1.
2-pack of G's. $4.
2, 1. up on pad red 4, Joe Roberts flying the space shuttle with a C-63, descending glide recovery. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
As far as I can tell, we've only lost two in the woods.
1. Three, two, one.
Whoa, a little early. Whoa. Oh, I thought it was going to come down from the chute. Safe though. You know this, the big plane, jets, they're all 15 miles that way and 15 miles that way. Jet pilots, they don't come here.
Off of pad blue 4, we've got Rich Daves flying his D2 with a D12-3. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Next up on pad blue 3, Amanda Davis with a Fat Boy flying a C-60. 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
What was the other one again?
That's a tangle. Probably a good thing, too.
4, 3, 2, 1. 1.
Women all the way up.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Go red pad number 2. We've red pad number 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Five, 4, 3, 2, 1. Silver Comet going up on a D12-5. Blue pad number 5 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green pad number 4 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 5. Coming out of the parachute. Blue pad number 2 and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
saw nothing.
What was it?
Blue pad number 4 is Jay Oliver with a speed machine. This is going up on an E11. 3 seconds J is flag tag motor. Blue pad number 4 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Green pad number 2, we have Mark McConnell with an ADR 4.0 going up on an E35, 4 second delay. Green pad number 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Going to blue pad number 2, we have Alicia Hogan with a fire streak going up on an A3. Blue pad number 2 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Up on a G40 with a 7 second delay. Green pad number 1 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, blue pad number 5, we have Darren Welling with a Fat Boy going up on an F39 with a 6 second delay. Blue pad number 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, this is going to be the last rocket of the day. Gonna finish it off with a Fat Boy drag race. We have 5 Fat Boys. Fat Boy 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 from Sandy Alonso. They all have C6 threes in them. This is going to be good. Red pad 1 through 5 in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
All the little pots. That was good. Let's go help retrieve.
Go for your walk there.
Okay, that concludes our launch for today.